Hello, this is Steely from Rogue with Coffee. As March is coming, let's do something different this time. So welcome to my home. The coffee for this month is Rwanda. This is from the Horizon washing station, which is located in the southern province. This is a natural processed red Bourbon, and it's very juicy, reminds me of the color of purple. The dripper we're using today is very special. Yes, this is the Origami Air. It's a new color called Rogue Wave Blue. Last year, we secretly collaborated with Origami to bring our own original color. And I'm so excited to present the coffee of this month with this dripper. As I always believe, the better it looks, the better it will taste. Okay, let's get started. The recipe I'm going to use today is very simple. 20 grams of coffee to 320 grams of water. And I'm going to use 1 bloom and 2 pours. And the grinder I'm going to use today is my good buddy. It's a fellow oat. This is the first generation, but I changed the second generation burr in it. My grind size is 8.1. If you having an Easy Presso ZP6 grinder, I would say it's about 5.3. If you are using K Ultra, it's 8.6. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to use the Kalita paper filter today, as I really want to bring more of the sweetness of this coffee. The water I'm using today is set at 93 Celsius degree, and I'm just using a Brita filtered Edmonton tap water. Okay. Let's bloom this coffee with 60 grams of water and give it 45 seconds to let everything open up. When it's 45 seconds, I'm going to start with my second pour. Bring the water up to 200. I'm going to do it very slow and steady. And when it's about 1 minute and 40 seconds, we're going to bring the water all the way up to 320 grams. Give it a little swirl to flatten that. The total brew time will be around 3 minutes. Okay, perfect. Let's taste it. My cute mushroom cup. Good looking things just makes everything taste better. It's very, very sweet. I love it. From this cup, I got lots of plum and cherry, those dark reds, purple, kind-of-ish fruit notes. And it's very syrupy and coating. And you still have those bright notes from like a raspberry and with a little bit of floral together. So this is quite a complex cup and very juicy, sweet. I'm very happy about this brew. So I hope you enjoy this coffee at home, and I hope you enjoy brewing coffee at home. Happy March. Bye now.